What's going on, baby? Welcome back to a brand new So, if you're new to this channel, my name is Sabrina, and if you're not already subscribed, my love, what is you doing? Subscribe. So, today we're going to do something a little bit challenging. Today I'm going to attempt to do the full face only using beauty blenders. I have a feeling some of them are going to get ruined because, like, imagine putting lipstick on a beauty blender. How does that come out? So that's a bit of my fear. So I guess we should just start. Go for it, just start. So first of all, I'm picking up my primer from Smudge Cosmetics. This is a really great primer, I'm not gonna lie. It really makes your skin feel as though it is being moisturized. And what I love about it is it's so cheap. I think it's like 80 bucks or 70 something bucks for, if I'm not mistaken, I can't remember, or 80 or 90 bucks for a foundation. It's really such an affordable brand and it is so nice. Primer is on. Foundation. So I'm going with my Catrice HD Coverage Foundation. I'm going to just drop some on there. So I'm just going in with my beauty blender from Vizion Cosmetics. Most squishiest sponge you'll ever find in your whole life. So go over to Vizion Cosmetics on Instagram, go to their website and buy yourself a beauty blender because I mean you won't regret it. So next I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Maybeline in shade 16, as well as my MakeupRevolution concealer. I like to mix the two because this is more closer to my skin tone and this is more of a highlight. So the two combination gives me a nice mixture of a highlight. With this will give me a bit more coverage underneath my eyes, so I put it on first just more to the lower portions going down, as well as just the higher portions. I like to put it actually everywhere. It just gives me a nice coverage. With this one I'll go in now and just put it in the inner corners where that's where I need the most under eye brightening. Pat that into my eye. I just love patting in highlight. It just makes me feel good. Don't you just love patting in a good highlight? So empowered, you know? Love it. So now my highlight is patted in. My two liquid contour sticks. I have either my NYX, one Constop, one Step, or my L'Oreal. So the reason I'm going to go in with the darker one today is because I'm using beauty blender and I can't necessarily go over with powder as much. This one is just already just a nice dark contour. So I'm just going to put a little line, a little line, a little line, a little line, a little line. I'm just going to start putting it into my face. But I actually recommend about doing contours, just turning things a little bit upside down. I'm just doing a little bit of that. Mess up on your contour is fine. Just beauty blend that shit up. What I do is I kind of like to smile a little bit and then just take it like just underneath that smile bone. It just gives you a little bit of a up cheeks. Hashtag a life hack. Ooh, snap. And a lot of people think that once you finish the contour and leave the contour out, you can't go back in with the highlighter. I'm constantly back between fourth and highlighter sometimes. So like now I just add a little bit too much and just make it a bit brighter. That doesn't mean once you finish with contour now you can't go back. So now we're going to powder. This is the most important thing I think of your flawless foundation routine. Everyone just is too scared to powder, honey. Powder that face. And before you put powder on, so just take out those creases under the eye, keep looking up and then just powder a little bit under the eye. I just love that look, that white look, like yes, we're always gonna have a little bit of crease under our eye, it's just human. And powder. Next is just powder contour. So that's why I put this one already, so there is kind of like a bit of a darker line, so in case this fails. I think I'm gonna go in with this sponge because it's dry and this is powder. And just like touch the back with it. Ooh, child. So just go over basically everywhere where you just contoured because we want a snatched face. Ooh, child, what is going on? Why doesn't this just want to blend? Then this is the one thing I discovered the other day. I don't know why I haven't discovered this earlier, but this, my Maximal palette, right? It has the nicest shade for my face. For some reason, this shade, damn. I'm gonna just dip into this shade here, and it just brightens up my under eye. It just brightens up my whole face. I don't know how I did not discover this earlier. So next is eyeshadow. I'm just gonna grab my Noia collection. I think I'm gonna use these little ones. The one fell, but I'm too lazy to pick it up. It's over there. I'm gonna grab into maybe this lighter shade to this lighter shade and see what happens. Stop patting on the eyeshadow. Ooh. Nice. How do I blend it? This one's a nice one because it really squishes in nicely. I'm gonna take this corner and just start outlining this crease. I'm not about to get fancy with this thing because and bam! Take my Bennye palette and I'm just gonna try and start deepening the crease with one of these browns. Maybe with a mixture of that. Okay. Just get into that crease. I don't want to get like it's separating. Do you see that? I mean, it's just not blending. I mean, like I said, if you're really desperate and you don't have brushes by you, beauty blender is the way to go. Don't use your finger. Damn. I'm gonna go in with a touch of this color. I feel like I need a bit more oomph to this eye. I hope this is not a bad decision. Before I forget what I did, let me just go do this eye. So I'm gonna take this one now. It's quite long. I'm just gonna try and get into this crease. Ooh, that's not bad. Okay, beauty blenders. I see you. Let me try to take some pink. Okay, now I'm trying to get frisky with it. Yeah, you don't even, but I like it actually. Time for some shimmer. So I'm gonna take my Bennye shimmer palette. I can just open it. This little pink one. And I'm gonna go in with this nice light shimmer. Oh. Whoa! I think when I start using beauty blenders for shimmer. Holy shiza! The pigment. Look. Oh, damn. Let's go back in the colors that we used and just use for under eye. What's next? Eyelashes. And y'all know I am gonna put no eyelashes on with that beauty blender. So what am I gonna do? Hold the eyelashes like this. Honey, if you're all done already know. If you don't already know, I'm doing a series with Vizion Cosmetics. Y'all just be ready for these episodes that are about to come out because y'all don't know what you're missing. Let me get these lashes off. Okay, next we're gonna go in with some blush. So I think I'm gonna go in with my NYX Cosmetics blush. Let's just take the back of the beauty blender and just, oh, that's pink. Let's hit it in our cheeks. Ooh. Luckily I have this. It is a Glow and Towel liquid highlighter from Sorbet. I'm gonna put a little bit sun on my finger. There's a little bit of love. Then take my beauty blender. Just like a little bit of, ooh. So now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm really scared actually ruins my beauty blender. I think this one. I really like this one. I'm gonna use her. Sorry. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC Liquid Liqueur matte lipstick from Avon. And it's just like, okay, that works. Giving it a basic color though. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my MakeupRevolution shade We Rule. So it's like a nice metallic little gloss. Ooh, ooh. Look at you. Hello there. Okay. A little bit of charm. Oh shit, I forgot to take off my damn powder. And then just to top it all off, I'm just going to spray my face with a little bit of NYX Dewy Setting Spray. So there you have it. This is my full face only using Beauty Blenders challenge. Thank goodness I had a little bit of work down to my eyebrows, a little bit of microblading, so it's really got color. There's a little pimple. Don't mind her. I want to start using my little beauty blenders for the damn shimmer on my eyelid because the pigment this thing took out is out of this world. So thank you once again for coming here and supporting me and watching my videos. I'll be back with another video, and I got named because I'm starting YouTube again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to hit that bell button. Once you do that, you should feel good. Enjoy the wedding anyway, the SABWAAAAY, and have a good day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.